down at the allotment again. Today we're going to do some potting up, and the wife's going to do some hanging baskets, so I'm just waiting for them to arrive. So I'll try and do some videos of what's getting done. So catch you soon. Right, Gillian's going to plant some hanging baskets, and what other plants?
Petunia mix.
So when are you going to get in there?
I don't know. I'll see.
2. What you've got left I can put in
the beds, yes.
These the tyres, if you've got any left. You want to get forward there?
Yeah.
Now you've got to fill it up with soil. What are you doing? Get the 5th one in.
Get another one in.
Do you want to overcrowd them, you know, because they'll
No.
not.
I know what I'm doing.
You got another basket.
I know what I'm doing. I see that bit more and then that can be hard.
You haven't put much soil in there.
We'll have loads left, we'll have loads left.
Oh,
Plant could got lemons. Lemons.
I'm sure they're going to grow. Enough soil in there.
I put more soil in there, man.
How would you usually fill it to the top with soil? Rob sort them plants out. Don't want spreading about. Okay, it's going to do another one, but I'll not video that. Okay, these are getting plug plants. I'm getting some pepper sweet eternity grafted. Chili pumpkin grafted. Pepper sweet campo. Oh. Chili pumpkin again, and this one is an aubergine grafted scorpion. So we're going to have to get these plugged up. I don't have them pots or two. Them pots too big or be alright. They're going to
The
grow.
black ones there.
Yeah, the BOI, yeah.
Yeah, because they've got to grow.
Yeah, they gotta go.
Okay, so, right.
Right.
For that line, I'll do and then I'll put a hole in it.
Yeah, Mum and Dad planted some pumpkin chilies in pots. And there's my dad putting one in now.
Right, there's a label there.
Yeah.
They're putting two in.
No. Right, where's the labels? Are you recording or not?
Yeah, still recording, yeah. My dad doing a little label of pumpkin chilies. A man putting some comfort in as usual, being lazy. And the plants are tiny. My dad's got one in his hand that's tiny, really tiny now.
Give a good push in.
I put some more compost on the top. If you need more compost on the top.
You don't have to fill them everyone.
Alright. Should stop now?
Aye. Okay, dear, back again. Right, we'll just put this in the deer. I've got flowers growing in there. Yeah. Right, in the greenhouse is we've got peppers, pumpkins, and the aubergines, what you're seeing there, were planted up. So they're all in here. We haven't put nothing in here yet. Always got to get the peas in and all, but I forgot. There's the flowers in two of them. One, two. That one didn't. I've got enough flowers. They're busy watering everything at the moment, so. And there's the hanging baskets. Then we'll walk along here, and Rob's just put these in. Probably need a good watering. So there's a shot of the garden from that end, and I'll sign off because I won't be back down this week. Hopefully Danny might be. So please don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll catch you again later. So bye for now.